How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's show you on how you can simply lock or easily lock your BMW X4. So to do this, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to try is to press the lock button on the actual key fob that you have. Basically, on latest models of X4, once the car sensed that the key fob is around, it will automatically unlock itself once again if you have touched the door handle. Now, if you want to go ahead and lock it, the other thing that you could go ahead and do is to press the three lines, which is going to be this one, on the back of the handle itself. So you want to go ahead and press it for around 3 seconds, and then it will go ahead and lock itself by folding the mirrors. That will indicate that you have successfully locked your BMW X4. Once again, your car will automatically unlock once it senses that the key fob is around. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.